Hi, welcome back. Today is December 27th, and it's the 12 days of Christmas practice with me. My name is Anya. It's my Luminosity yoga channel, and I invite you to a brief yoga and meditation practice for the 12 nights of Christmas, the raw nights, also called the Christmas tide. So yeah, let's just start. We're sitting. Today is a Wednesday, and Wednesday is Mercury's day, associated with that planet. And the moon is in Cancer today, which is a cardinal water sign. And Mercury is actually in Sagittarius. We talked this a few times. This is mutable fire, related to the centaur, the adventurer. It's about expansion, traveling, and also traveling in your mind. And there's a square from Mercury, which is currently retrograde, to Neptune in Pisces. So more mutable energy. We have mutable water, Pisces being mutable water, and related to creativity, also empathy, really feeling, dissolving boundaries, the being connected to everything. So we have both of these signs, Sagittarius and Pisces. They are both actually ruled by Neptune and Jupiter respectively. So there is a lot of emphasis on this energy, and there's some sort of tension also between these energies of expansion, of vision, but also illusion, maybe not being quite clear what's what, maybe not being able to communicate our visions, or being able to differentiate where we're led astray or where we're escaping. So with Neptune and Pisces, there might be tendencies to actually just leave the body, or just in general just to find ways of escaping the reality. And it is the third night, and we're gonna do a meditation where we start to open up. So first we let go, we kind of became still, and now we're starting to open up. And we're gonna do a brief meditation on what is now, on the moment. So please find a comfortable seated posture. And we're going to work with the Mercury Mudra, and that is actually the little fingers and the thumbs touching gently, and just rest your hands on your thighs, palms facing up, and then just close your eyes. And see if you can just touch the fingers gently and lightly without tension. And then take a deep exhale. And from your tailbone or from your perineum, just feel the connection down into the earth. And if there's a lot of thoughts from the moments before or about what's going to come later, see if you can imagine them like little pearls coming into the center of your pelvis. Imagine this T-shape with the bottom of that rooting down into the earth, and all the thoughts flowing down. And you're starting to anchor in this moment. Let your breath come and go naturally. And to start asking yourself inwardly, what is now? What is happening now? What is important now? And then just see where your attention, your awareness is drawn naturally. Maybe there's bodily sensations. Or it could be sounds. Maybe thoughts. Or memories. So whatever it is, just follow that. Just be with that. Without changing it, without judging. Just allow yourself to be in the moment. What is now? What is happening now? What is important now? Become more aware of the breath again. And of the mudra that you're holding with your hands. Sensing that. And then slowly rub your hands together. Open your eyes with your palms. Take a few deep in the exhale. And then place the hands back and rub your feet together. Pisces, being related to the feet. And that Sagittarius related to the thighs and also the nervous system. So let's come into a twist. And if you can keep your left knee bent, it's fantastic. Do that. And place the right foot on the other side. If you cannot keep it bent, you can extend the left leg. So just choose your variation. You can sit on a blanket, on a bolster, on a cushion. And just first of all, just feel your sitting bones rooting down and really plant your foot with the sole of the foot on the ground, knee pointing up. And the other foot here on the outside of your thigh. And then just to open up the shoulder, let's do 3 circles. You can bend the elbow with our right arm. Maybe opening up. Bring that hand behind you. And then you can choose either you just move that leg in. And then you find a very long spine on your inhale. And on your exhale, see if you can rotate from your chest, the seat of Gemini, of Mercury. Yeah, so in your shoulder and chest region, take a deep inhale. And on your exhale, very gently, maybe twist a little bit more, maybe just stay where you are and really enjoy your breath. And just stay here for a few deep in and exhales. You can do any variation of this twist. If you want to bind, feel free to do so. And only move your head as far back as is comfortable. So you're just being gentle with yourself, enjoying the breath. So inhale here, exhale. Let's just go back, rub the feet together again. And then we'll place that right leg on the floor, left foot on the outside of the right leg. You can straighten the right leg if you can't bend it. And again, so just make sure that foot is planted on the ground, sole of the foot, and the right foot is on the outside of your left thigh. And then let's take 3 circles with our left arm. You can bend the arm. Place that hand behind us. And again, just bring that knee closer. So we're kind of squeezing and lifting up and out of the hips. And we're squeezing and massaging our digestive organs as we do this. Deep in and exhale. Find length in the spine on the inhale and see if you can gently twist on your exhale, bringing your shoulder blades together. Coming back into center, find a cross-legged position. And just find your Mercury Mudra, the little finger and thumb touching for a moment. Centering yourself, grounding through your sitting bones, your tailbone, and or your perineum. And just feel a slight lift up from the crown, but most of your energy is moving down. Allow everything to settle. And again, just return to the idea of what is now. Just being with the present moment. Bring the hands together in front of your heart. Thank yourself for the time you made for the practice today. And let's dedicate the merits of the practice to all beings without one exception. Namaste. Thanks for joining me today. If you've made it up to here, please comment. Let me know how the meditations, how the asanas or the mudras land for you. Also, let me know if you find the information useful and if you may have started your own journal. And if you've been paying attention to your dreams during these 12 nights of Christmas. So thank you so much. And I appreciate your comments, your feedback, your shares, and your likes. And I look forward to seeing you for the next practice tomorrow. Bye for now.